Hey guys, Mr. Bone here with your weekly wrap up and your weekly preview for coming up. This is our virtual Friday video. So in 7th grade this past week, what we did is we started off Tuesday with a crash course video on Christianity and Judaism. We started into chapter 1, section 1. Notice that the previous week before that we were doing chapter 6, and then we rolled right into chapter 7. Those two are combined. We've been talking about that it's going to be a chapter 6 and 7 test because we're testing on the big three religions. So we did chapter 7, section 1, section 2. Yesterday for section 3, I had you work on a comparison chart. So you're not doing the RITP questions for that chapter or that section. You're just doing the comparison chart. The comparison chart, you can turn that in when you're done. I will grade those over myself when we get all those in. Probably on Monday I'll start actually grading those. Today I've asked you to take a look at the video of 102 minutes, and that's posted on Classroom with an exit ticket. Please make sure, if you haven't already, that you watch the video that I created for the instructions. There's a little bit of backstory to that and a little bit of what we wanted to talk about in the 102-minute video. And again, you don't have to watch the whole thing. I can't tell you have to watch all of it because that's more than a class period, but I would think some of you will want to see parts of it. Okay, so that was last week. This coming week, we're going to finish up chapter 7. There were 4 sections in chapter 7. So we'll finish up chapter 7 with the RITP. We'll watch another crash course on Islam on Monday. Tuesday, we will start a 6-frame summary, and Wednesday, I'll have you finish up that summary. I'll give you a little bit of time on Wednesday to finish it up, and then we'll also do some test review, mainly Kahoot. We'll do the Kahoots for that. Thursday, we'll do the big 3 religion test. We'll probably have time to Kahoot before that test as well, and make sure everyone's ready to go. Also on Wednesday, don't forget, you've got to make sure you have all of your homework done up to that point. So all of the RITP section stuff. So that's 6.1, 6.2, 7.1, 7.2, the 7.3 chart, and 7.4 RITP. Those will all have to be done and passing before you can take the test on Thursday. So if you're getting a little bit behind, if you've decided that you didn't feel like turning in RITPs, or you only answered a couple of questions on them and didn't pass, make sure that you're getting those done. I'm going to send this out to Mom and Dad as well so that they can maybe check to make sure that you've got everything in. You can certainly look at that on Skyward, or you can also look at it in Classroom. Mom and Dad, if you guys want to be added to the Google Classroom as a guardian, then send your email to me in an email and just say that you want to get signed up into Classroom. I can put you in there so that you get all the announcements that your students get, you get everything that they get, except you don't go into the gradebook portion for the assignments. A couple of you signed up when I sent out the original code. Nothing really wrong with that, but you probably noticed I kicked you back out because then I end up with adults into the grade book and missing assignments and all kinds of stuff. So I probably kicked you back out of that. Next Friday, while you're gone again for Virtual Friday, there will be a crash course on the Indian Ocean trade routes and an exit ticket for that. So that'll take care of what we did last week as a recap, just so you know what you did. Also give you a preview of what we're going into next week. If you are a full-time remote learner and you're having issues with any of these things, please give me an email and we'll try to get figured out whatever you're doing. That reminds me, for remote learners, your 6-frame summaries. I'll just have you draw on 6 pieces of paper or draw 6 pictures, take photos of those on your phone or whatever, and you'll upload those into Classroom for your grade for the 6-frame. So that's how you guys will do it, since you're not getting the big 6-frame paper that everybody else will get. I think that'll do it for right now. If I think of anything else, I'll certainly send out messages or another video or something like that. So hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.